Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about how the hair analysis can transform your child's health by supporting them into a great detoxification protocol. I've had the great opportunity for decades now to work with families whose children are struggling with attention deficit disorder or tantrums, uncontrollable tantrums, or just all sorts of different health issues. Toxic burdens and heavy metals are passed from mothers to their children in the womb through the placenta and umbilical cord. And studies have found mercury, lead, arsenic, and aluminum in cord blood and even in breast milk. This means that before a child takes their first breath, they may already be carrying the invisible weight of an overburdened world, what I often call the toxic inheritance. A newborn's detoxification pathways, especially the liver, the kidneys, and the glutathione system, they're immature, so they are exquisitely sensitive to even trace exposures. This is why I so often see heavy metal overload in kids, even when families eat clean, organic diets and live what appears to be a healthy lifestyle. Common heavy metal toxicity symptoms in children include tantrums, aggression or sudden mood swings, poor sleep or night terrors, digestive problems including constipation or diarrhea, sensory overload, sound sensitivity or anxiety, delayed speech, or developmental milestones, brain fog or lack of focus, often labeled as ADHD. And it's incredible, but I often find very high aluminum levels in kids with these kind of behavioral challenges, especially ADHD-like symptoms. Aluminum interferes with the brain's neurotransmitters and can disrupt magnesium and calcium balance, for instance, two minerals essential for calm focus and emotional regulation. You can do the HTMA test for kids as soon as your child has at least 1 inch of scalp hair. I've successfully performed hair tests for toddlers, including children under 2, to detect early signs of heavy metal toxicity. A sample detox protocol for kids is using glutathione to support a healthy detox. Magnesium is essential for supporting a healthy detox, and then some kind of chelator. And I found great success with the BioA products. For instance, happy or calm or pooper or focus, depending on the child. If your children or child is struggling at all with any of these issues, do reach out to us at Optimal Health Network via email or phone or text, and we can help.